Hi everyone, welcome to Patio Dreams. Today I'm going to make a unique but beautiful flower bouquet earrings out of polymer clay. For that, first make two small balls using white color polymer clay and attach an eye pin to each to make the base of the earrings. Now the base is ready. Then we can make the flowers. For making rose flowers, condition a pink or rose color polymer clay and cut it into small pieces. Now press each piece between your fingers for making small round shapes, which is the petals of rose flowers. Now take each petal and start rolling. Before finishing the first petal, attach a second petal and start rolling. Before finishing the second one, attach a third one and so on until you get a nice rose shape. Now cut the flower from the top and make as many rose flowers required for the size of your earring. And next we are going to make a yellow color flower. Make the clay into the shape of a bud as shown in this video and make two cuts along the surface of the bud to make this into a flower shape. So now the flower is ready. Now cut the top of the flower. So you need to make a 5 or 6 yellow color flowers and 10 or 15 rose color flowers for both the earrings. Now we need to attach these flowers along the surface of the base. In order to look our earring more natural, we need to add some leaves. For that, take a small amount of green color polymer and condition it well and knead them as narrow as possible and cut small pieces out of the green color polymer clay, which should look like leaves. Take very small pieces out of the green color, which is the leaves of the bouquet, and attach them in between the flowers. You can use any craft glue for attaching the flowers and leaves onto the base and let it completely dry. Otherwise, that may spoil your earrings. Then after finishing the bouquet, let it completely dry. Then bake the earrings according to instructions. Do not bake before drying out the glue. So after baking, attach the hooks onto the eye pin. Then your earrings are ready to go. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.